Hi everyone! Today we're going to read a very special book for my family. Ever since my first daughter was born, I read this book to her every night as part of our bedtime routine. I hope you love it just as much as we do. Today we're going to read DINOSNORES by Sandra Boynton. When the sun has gone down and the blue stars appear, then the dinosaurs know that their bedtime is near. So they all clean their teeth and their sweet faces too. Then they wriggle and stretch, just like dinosaurs do. Their pajamas are cozy. They all put them on. Then they yawn and they yawn and they yawn and they yawn. Now they all settle down in a dinosaur heap. They all close their eyes. They all fall asleep. Shh. And soon they are dreaming, our dinosaur friends. I'm afraid this is when all the snoring begins. Shoo! Shoo! The snoring goes on and on through the night. They never stop snoring till the first morning light.
I like all the dinos, but I just want to say, thank goodness those DINOSNORES live far, far away.
I hope you loved that bedtime book just as much as my family does. Thanks for reading with us again tonight. Remember to share these videos, like them, and please subscribe. Thanks for your support. See you for the next book.